Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Other ways to say how are you, what's up, how do you do, how is life, how are you doing, what's new, how is it going, how is everything, what's going on, how have you been, what's happening, alright, how are things going, how are you holding up, what are you up to, how is everything.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته عشركين waxa uu ku saabsan yahay other ways to say how are you other ways hababka kale to say loo yiraahdo how are you see tahay ama sidee baa tahay habab kala duwan baa loo yiraahdaa oo bedelkeeda ku noqonaysa how are you. Okay, together please. aynu wada socono fadlan. Other ways to say how are you. hababka loo yiraahdo sidee tahay habab kala duwan baa loo yiraahdaa sidee tahay xaalka ka waran. What's up? What's up? What's up? sidee tahay. How do you do? How do you do? sidee tahay. How's life? How's life? nolosha ka waran sidee tahay. How are you doing? How are you doing? see tahay. What's new? What's new? maxaa cusub see tahay. How is it going? How is it going? see tahay. How is everything? How is everything? wax walba waa sidee see tahay. What is going on? What is going on? see tahay. How have you been? How have you been? see tahay. What's happening? What's happening? see tahay. All right. All right. see tahay. How are things going? How are things going? How are you holding up? How are you holding up? How are you up to? How are you up to? Well, how are you? see tahay bay la micno tahay. How is everything? How is everything? iyaduna waxay la micno tahay how are you. intaa midkood ayaad bedelkooga u isticmaali kartaa how are you ardayow. Okay, la socod wanaagsan casharka ku xiga insha Allah.